Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Well, a lot of you request that I do a brow tutorial for you, so that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna show y'all how I do my brows. So I use my spoolie to brush it in place. And no, I don't have a lot of eyebrow here, so I'm not about to judge me and all. This one comes with a brush at the end, and this is the Amorous Premium Pro Makeup and Brush with Spoolie. And I'm going to use my brow dip in Ebony. It's called I Envy by Kiss. Well, yeah, I Envy by Kiss. All the products that I use, I'm going to leave them in the description box below. Alright. I don't really add product at the edge of my brow. Why me keep saying brow? Brow. My eyebrow. I just use the brush and spread the product that I have in the back and draw it to the front, like, you know, so it looks a little natural and nice. It looks all natural. Sorry about that, guys. My battery died, so I went ahead and finished this one. Alright, so for cleaning up and all of that nice thing, I use the RK by Kiss 3D Contour Palette. This is what I use, and I am in love with this because it has everything in it. It has the corrector, it has all of my shades, it has something that I actually contour with sometimes. It also has a highlight. So yeah, this is what I use, and I'll be using, well, it doesn't have any name really, but I'll be using these two lovely right here. I'll be using them. So now say, oh no, I forgot my brush. Alright guys, so this is it for my eyebrow tutorial. My battery died, so you know, I went ahead and do a little tweaking, a little tune up, and set the eyes, and that's it. That's all I did.